Today we celebrate 25 years of God's love, faith. A quarter of century ago, Brother Oli and Sister Josie stood before God and promised to love each other for better or for worse, through sickness or in health, for poorer or for richer. And you have walked through joys and challenges, laughter and tears, and through it all, God has held you together as the third strand in your cord of love.
"25 years of love, patience, and partnership is no small thing. Through all ups and downs, you've shown what it truly means to love and support each other no matter what. You didn't just build a marriage, but a godly home filled with laughter, care, and warmth."
Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong dalawa, Ma and Papa. Patuloy niyo lang i-pursue ang Panginoon sa relationship ninyo. And nandito lang din ako pagka kailangan ninyo ng guidance. And una-una, kailangan niyo rin lumapit sa Panginoon. So, yun po. God bless. Love you both.
limang taon na halos hindi natin alam kung paano natin haharapin ang buhay may asawa. Ang alam lang natin, masaya tayong magkasama, kahit nga isang pirasong tuyo lang, masaya tayong kumakain ng sabay.
I need you to know you are everything to us. I'll always stand by you. No matter what, you're not alone. Magkasama tayong tatanda. And I'll never stop being proud the man you are.
Kung naaalala mo yung sinabi ko sa iyo noon, na wala akong maibibigay na magandang buhay sa iyo. At saka sabi ko pa nga, marami silang katangian na wala ako. Pero hindi mo makikita sa kanila kung anong meron ako, kundi magandang lahi lang.
We were young, so in love. We would talk till the dawn, staring up at the moon. All the stars were in bloom. Oh, it felt like a dream, like an old.
Ang dami niyong pinagdaanan. Naalala ko pa kung paano kayo gigising ng alas 2 ng madaling araw para pumunta sa palengke magtinda. Pagkatapos noon, si Papa naman mamamasada.
Am I only one?
I know how hard you push yourself for us. I see the tiredness in your eyes. You are the reason our family feels safe. The reason we can dream, even on the days you feel worn down.
We've been up, we've been down, lost our grip, nearly drowned. Said some things we didn't mean, felt the space grow in between. But you held.
Maraming salamat dahil hindi ka lang naging isang asawa, nanay o kaibigan. Katulong sa panahon na kahit tayo ay hirap, nandiyan tayo sa isa't isa. Katulong ko na harapin anumang hamon ang dumating sa ating buhay.
Am I only one?
But they stood the test of time, and now they are reaffirming that promise 25 years ago.
For all of time, I'll be with you by your side. Highest
and most of all, for your love. Thank you so much. I thank the Lord for your life.
Basta lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal kita at mamahalin pa hanggang sa huling aking hininga.
Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade. 'Cause you are my own.